Good morning mga kamatatag! Ikaw ba ay isang estudyanteng nahihirapan sa mathematics? Well, ang video na ito ay sadyang nilikha para mas maintindihan ninyo ang ilang mga konsepto patungkol sa math. Pero bago mo panoorin ang mga susunod na video, huwag mong kalimutang i-like, share, subscribe, at huwag mong kalimutang pindutin ang kampanang maliit diyan sa baba ng inyong screen upang ikaw ay mabigyan ng notification sa bawat video na aking i-upload. Enjoy learning!
Alright, so ang i-discuss natin sa video na ito is about quadratic inequalities. Okay? So, napag-aralan natin yung quadratic equation. So, this time ang pagka-aralan natin is what we call quadratic inequalities. Okay? So, start. So, a quadratic inequality in one variable, an expression that can be expressed in any of the following form. So, again, quadratic inequality in one variable. So, these are the form of quadratic inequality. First, we have ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0. Second is ax squared plus bx plus c less than 0. Third, ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than or equal to 0. Fourth, we have ax squared plus bx plus c less than or equal to 0. The fifth one is ax squared plus bx plus c is not equal to 0. So, parang familiar kayo sa mga form na yan kasi yung ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So, here, kaya siya naging inequality because the symbol here is not equal. So, not equal yung mga symbol na yan. Kaya siya inequality. Okay? So, yun yung pinag-iba nila. So, where a, b, and c are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0. Same with quadratic equation. So a solution of a quadratic inequality in x is any set of values. Okay, again, is any set of values of x for which the inequality is true. So yun yung pinagkaiba natin dun sa quadratic equation kasi yung quadratic equation natin meron lang dalawang solution. Okay, so here in a quadratic inequality, we have a set of values. So, it means pwedeng marami. Okay? A set of values of x for which the inequality is true. Okay? So, there are properties of inequalities. The following properties of inequalities are useful in the solution of the quadratic inequality. So, a product is positive when the factors are both positive or both negative. Parang integers lang, no? So, that is if a times b is greater than 0, then a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. So, pag greater than 0, it means positive. So, positive times positive is positive. Right? Or, a is less than 0 and b is less than 0. So, less than 0 is the negative number. And negative number times the negative number is positive, right? So a product is a negative when one factor is positive and the other is negative. Same again with integers. That is, if AB is less than 0, so then A is greater than 0 and B is less than 0. So again, pag greater than 0, yun yung mga positive number. Pag less than 0, negative number. And negative times positive is negative. Or a is less than 0 and b is greater than 0. Okay? So, in solving quadratic inequality, there are steps that can help us to solve inequality. So, we're going to follow the steps. First, write the inequality as a quadratic equation in standard form. Remember that. Okay? Write the inequality as a quadratic equation in standard form. Second, determine the solutions of the quadratic equation by using any appropriate method. Third, represent the solutions as point on a number line. So we need a number line here. So these points divide the number line into 3 regions. Later on, mas makikita ninyo. From each region or interval, select a number and substitute it into the given inequality. So take note of the signs of the answers and illustrate them through the table signs. The numbers that satisfy the given inequality comprise the solution set. One example, determine the solution set of the inequality x squared minus 2x minus 3 is less than 0. So what we're going to do is to illustrate the solution set on number line pa din. Okay? So this is the solution. So we're going to write the quadratic inequality as a quadratic equation in standard form. So the inequality x squared minus 2x minus 3 less than 0 will become x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So pinalitan natin yung less than into equal. Second, solve the quadratic equation by factoring since the equation above is factorable. How did I know that? So you solve that by using the determinants. Okay? So x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Factor is x plus 1 and x minus 3. Solving for x, so x plus 1 equals 0. And x is equal to negative 1. We transpose positive 1 to the right side of the equal sign. Second, we have x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals negative 3. So negative 1 and positive 3 will be our boundary. Okay? So illustrate the solution on the number line. Observe that an open circle, again, observe that an open circle is used to represent each of the solutions of the equation. The open circles indicate that 3 and negative 1 are excluded. It means hindi kasama, okay, from the solution of the inequality. Kung nagkataon na yung ating inequality symbol is less than or equal, then yung circle natin is closed circle. It means merong shade. Pag may shade yung ating circle, it means kasama yung number na yon. Okay? So here, yan yung ating negative 1. We have positive 3 here. Open circle, walang shade kasi hindi kasama yung positive 3 at saka negative 1. So these are the 3 regions. This negative 1 up to negative infinity. We have positive 3 up to positive infinity. And the middle one is the region where we can test if our solution is inside that region. Okay? So, try. So, we're going to select a number as a test point from each region. So, here, if we're going to select negative 1 up to negative infinity, so we have negative here, okay, that one, and we're going to select negative here, okay, and this one we're going to select the positive, ito yung sa middle natin. So again, yung inequality symbol natin is less than 0. So ano-ano yung mga number na less than 0? It means negative. So dito, yung product natin is pag negative yung number, positive. So pag positive, greater than 0, right? Same here, pagka both are positive, the product will be positive and positive is greater than 0. So we will going to choose the middle region since negative is less than 0. So continue. Observe that the table above in the expression x squared minus 2x minus 3 is positive when the values of x are less than 1 or greater than 3. So, hindi siya pwede maging positive kasi less than 0 yung ating condition na dapat masatisfy. Thus, these values do not satisfy the inequality. Yung dalawang positive na yon. Kasi nga, yung ating inequality symbol ay less than. On the other hand, the expression x squared minus 2x minus 3 is negative for all the values of x between the negative 1 and the positive 3. So, dito tayo kukuha ng mga number between negative 1 and positive 3. Hindi tayo kukuha between negative infinity and negative 1. Bakit? Kasi magpa-positive. Same here, hindi rin tayo kukuha from positive 3 up to positive infinity kasi magpa-positive. And again, kapag ka-positive, hindi na siya less than 0. Kasi yun yung ating equation. Balikan lang natin yung equation yan. Dapat less than 0. So, pag positive, hindi siya less than 0. Okay? Ang kukunin natin is the negative 1. The negative region. So, therefore, the given inequality is true for all x greater than negative 1 but less than 3. Okay? Thus, the solution set of the inequality x squared minus 2x minus 3 less than 0 in interval notation is negative 1 and positive 3. Okay? The solution set can also be written in a rule form. So, here's the solution. Values of x is that x is negative 1 less than x less than 3. Okay? So, illustrating the solution set on the number line, we have all the points between negative 1 and positive 3 represented by the shaded part of the line. Yan ang ating solution. So, hindi tayo kukuha ng number dito kasi hindi siya magiging true. Ito naman, di rin kukuha. Yung mga solution natin, nandun lang sa part na to. Okay? Kaya, solution set kasi maraming pwedeng solution. Okay? Next. So, tingnan natin, example, determine the solution set of the inequality x squared minus 4 greater than 0. Again, greater than 0. So, it means pag greater than 0, anong kukunin natin? Dapat yung positive number. Kasi pag negative, less than 0 na yan. Okay? So, we're going to illustrate again the solution set on the number line. So, ito yung given. So, x squared minus 4 equals 0. Be writing the inequality into equation as step number 1. We have x squared equals 0 plus 4. We transpose negative 4 to the right side. Okay? So x squared equals 4. Simplify the right side of the equation. So here, we can solve this type of equation by extracting the roots, as you remember in our previous lesson or video. Okay? Apply extracting the roots by taking the square roots of both sides of the equations. So x is positive and negative 2, taking the roots of 4. So we're going to plot the solutions on number line. So yan yung ating number line. So take note, yung ating symbol dito is greater than, walang equal. So anong natatandaan nyo? Pag walang equal sign, it means ang circle natin is open, walang shade. Okay? So i-plot muna natin si positive and negative 2. Negative 2 and positive 2. Okay. So, select a number as a test point from each region. So, ito yung table uli na gagamitin natin. So, again, ang kailangan natin is positive. Bakit positive? Kasi si positive is greater than 0. So, sa table natin, alin dyan yung makukunin natin? So, itong portion na to and this one. Okay? Bakit hindi negative? Is negative less than 0? Alright? Nakuha nyo na? Okay? So, greater than 0, kaya ang kukunin natin is positive. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng number from negative 2 up to negative infinity and positive 2 up to positive infinity. Okay? So, yan, positive na dalawa ang ating kukunin. Kasi greater than 0. Negative yung kukunin natin kapag less than 0. Okay? The only positive product will become greater than 0. As I have mentioned. Okay? So, ito yung ating solution kanina. Gagawin natin is another way to test, to select any number from the three regions. Ito yung isa sa mga ginagawang way para makita natin kung saan yung mga solution. So, for example, kumuha ako dito sa in-between nilang dalawa. So, dito kumuha between negative 2 and positive 2. For example, tinest ko yung 0 kung solution o hindi. Okay? So, if x is 0, substitute ko dun sa inequality sa equation natin. we have x squared minus 4 greater than 0. So 0 minus 4 greater than 0 is negative 4 greater than 0. So false. It means that 0 is not part of the solution. Okay? Other one. Tingnan natin si 3. Si 3 is nasa right side na ng ating boundary. Okay? So if x is equal to 3, so substitute the value. I have x squared minus 4 greater than 0. If x is 3, that's 3 squared minus 4 greater than 0. So that's 9 minus 4 greater than 0. So 5 is greater than 0. So that's true. So it means that 3 is part of the solution. So if 3 is part of the solution, it means that hanggang positive infinity is part of the solution. Okay? So let's try negative 3 on the left side. If x is negative 3, substituting negative 3 to the inequality x squared minus 4 greater than 0, I have here 9 minus 4 greater than 0. So 5 is greater than 0, right? So it means that negative 3 is part of the solution up to negative infinity. Okay? So since negative 3 and positive 3 satisfy the inequality, therefore, we can conclude that x is greater than negative 2 or x is less than negative 2. So, yan yung ating sulat. So, the solution set is, yan, kung paano natin siya sulat, at ito yung ating graph. So, negative 2, positive 2. So, negative 2 up to negative infinity, and the other side is positive infinity. So dito, okay, hindi kasama yung gitna kasi nag-false yung ating tinest na point kanina. So ang solution here punta doon. Okay? Hindi kasama si positive 2 and negative 2. Okay? So para mas maintindihan pa natin, I'll show you another example. So let's watch.
Alright, so sa example na to, bibigyan ulit tayo ng isang problem para mas maintindihan natin kung paano ginagawa yung pag-solve ng quadratic inequalities. Okay? So, I have here 2x squared minus 5x then greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so that's our problem. So again, ang unang gagawin natin is to write the inequality into a quadratic equation para mas madali nating i-solve. Okay, so sundan lang natin yung steps. So 2x squared minus 5x is equal to 3. Okay, so after natin may sulat sa inequality or sa equation, again, this is inequality in this equation. So after natin may sulat sa equation, isusulat natin siya as standard form since quadratic naman yung ating sinosolve. Okay? So 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Right? So ngayon, nasa quadratic equation na tayo. Pwede natin isolve yan gamit yung factoring, completing the square, or the quadratic formula. So this time, ang gagamitin lang natin is factoring. So again, paano mag-factor? Multiply natin itong dalawa. Okay? So meron kang negative 6. Okay? So negative 6. Yan. So, ano-ano ngayon yung mga factor ni negative 6 na pag pinag-add natin, negative 5 ang sagot. Okay? Ano yung dalawang number na pag minag-multiply natin, dapat ito makukuha natin. Okay? So, ano ba yun? Try natin So, try natin yung negative 6 and 1. So negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. So therefore, our factor is negative 6 and 1. Okay? So, para mabalikan lang natin yung factoring. So, ngayon, susulat natin yung negative 5 as factor ng dalawang number. So, instead of negative 5x, susulat natin yung negative 6x plus x. Ito yung factor natin kanina na negative 6 and 1 na ang sagot is 5. Okay? Minus 3 equals 0. Okay na? So, dito, mag-group tayo. Okay, group natin siya na merong common factor sa kanila. So, dito siguro i-group natin si 3 at saka si 6 kasi divisible sila naman ng 3. Tapos si x at saka sa 2x square, meron silang common factor na x. Okay? So, 2x square plus x times plus negative 6x saka ito minus 3 equals 0. Okay? So again, pinagsama natin itong dalawa kasi sila yung may common factor. Just pinagsama rin natin itong dalawa. Right? So, solve natin. So, ang common factor dito is x. Right? So, factor out natin yung x. Ang naiwan dito is 2x. So, x times 2x is 2x squared. Here, x divided by x, meron akong 1. Okay? Next. So, dito, ang common factor nila is 3. So, ilabas natin si negative 3 times 2x. So, sorry. Okay? So, negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. So, tanggalin lang natin ito. Then, negative 3 divide negative 3, meron kang positive 1 equals 0. Okay, so bumalik tayo ng factoring, di ba? So, again, dapat same yung ating factor. Then, ito yung dalawang pagkasamahin natin. Okay, so nasa first part pa lang tayo ng pag-solve ng quadratic equation. So, ang factor natin is x minus 3 and 2x plus 1 equals 0. Right? So, solving for x, i-equate lang natin sa 0 yung dalawang factor. So, x minus 3 equals 0. Yung isa, 2x plus 1 equals 0. So, here, x is positive 3. Here, because 2x plus negative 1 divided by 2. So, x is negative 1/2 and positive 3. Yun yung ating point na iti-test ngayon. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, ipa-plot natin yung 3 and 1/2, negative 1/2 sa number line. Okay? So, gawa tayo number line. Yan. We have positive 3 and 1 negative 1/2. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay? So, ngayon, ang nakalagay dito is less than or equal. Okay? So, makapansin nyo sa mga previous example natin, kapag ay mga example natin, walang equal sign. So, dito, instead na circle, Okay, na walang shade, na empty. Ang gagawin natin, i-shade natin tong 3. Okay, bakit may shade? Kasi meron siyang equal sign. Pag walang shade, circle lang, walang shade. Okay, so dito, yung ang solution natin again is negative 1/2 and positive 3. Okay, so yan yung ating solution, di ba? So saan si negative 1/2 banda? Dito siya banda. Negative 1/2. Okay, so ngayon, susunod natin gagawin is magte-test tayo ng mga points kung saan magiging true yung ating equation. Kuha lang tayo ng mga points dito. Okay? Tapos i-substitute natin doon. So, halimbawa, kunin natin si positive 4. Try natin dito kay x. So, 2 times 4 square minus 5 times 4 less than or equal to 3 ba siya? So, 2 times 16 minus 20 is less than or equal to 3. So, that's 32 minus 20 is less than or equal to 3. So, 32 minus 20 is 12 is less than or equal to 3. So, dito, si 12 ba mas maliit kay 3? So, false. Ibig sabihin, si 4 ay hindi kasama sa solution. So, kung si 4 hindi kasama sa solution, ibig sabihin lahat ng number dito, papuntang infinity, ay hindi kasama sa solution. Okay? So, try natin si negative. Try natin si negative 1. So, 2 times negative 1 square minus 5 times negative 1 less than or equal to 3 ba siya? So, here, 2 times 1 plus negative 5 times negative 1, I have 5 less than or equal to 3 ba siya? So, 2 plus 5 is less than or equal to 3. 2 plus 5 is 7. So, 7 is less than or equal to 3. So, false. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng number dito, papuntang negative infinity, ay hindi kasama sa solution. Again, hindi kasama sa solution kasi nag-false. Alright? So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, kuha tayo dun sa loob. Again, meron tayong tatlong region. Negative infinity, the positive infinity, and yung ating, yung middle region, kung saan napapaloob yung ating mga solution. So, test natin yan. Okay? So, si 0 nasa loob naman ng dalawang point natin. So, test natin si 0. So, 2 times 0 square minus 5 times 0 is less than or equal to 3. So, this is 2 times 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 3. So, this is 0 is less than or equal to 3. So, ito ay true. Ibig sabihin, yung ating mga solution ay nakapaloob dito sa region na to. Okay? Diyan makikita yung ating mga solution. So, paano natin siya isusulat? Okay? So, paano natin siya isusulat? Set. So, ang ating solution set ay x, the set of all values of x is negative 1/2 less than x, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 3. Saan si 1/2? Si 1/2 daw ay less than kay x, si x is less than kay positive 3. So, ibig sabihin niyan yan. Si 1/2 less than kay x, dito si 1/2, si x less than kay positive 3. So, ibig sabihin niyan yung region na yan, yung ating solution. Okay? So, para hindi kayo mahirapan, ang gawin nyo lang, kumuha kayo ng point, basta i-divide nyo tatlong region ng inyong solution. Yan yung ating tatlong region. The positive solution, the positive infinity, the negative, and yung ating boundary or region in between. Okay? Tapos kuha kayo ng points doon, then i-test nyo. Kung saan yung mag-true, ibig sabihin yun yung solution. Kahit isang point lang. Okay? So,